Hello friends, it's Kristie Marcotte. I can't believe it's already time for the July 2020 Love From Lizi card kit. The theme is Love You Always, and this is a beautiful card kit with lots of pinks and soft greens. As always, there are 2 bags included in the kit, and I'll go ahead and start with the larger bag. There are 5 sheets of cardstock. These are all 8.5 by 11 inches in size. There's a black, a blush pink, a bright pink, this dark gray, and then also a sheet of alcohol marker friendly white. There are 3 sheets of 12 by 12 pattern paper, and these are all double-sided. This first sheet has lots of beautiful flowers. There's some vintage mailboxes on there, and you will need to fussy cut those out, and you can use them like ephemera, or you can use that opposite side, which has a very distressed look. The next one has a variety of floral borders with some of those vintage mailboxes, and then the opposite side has a green wood panel. And then this final sheet has some cut-aparts on one side. Some of them you could add a sentiment, or you could just use the images, and then the back side is this realistic looking brick wall. Now moving on to the pattern paper. It's a 6 by 6 in size. There are 12 different sheets, and these are double-sided. So I'm going to flip through these really quick, and I'm showing you the front, and then that next piece is the back, so it's on the opposite side. So you have a nice variety. There's some tone-on-tone designs. A couple of them are the same as the 12 by 12 paper, just in the smaller scale. So there's those same cut-aparts. That brick wall, and then I love this piece with all of the colored doors. Not sure how many use that one yet, but I really like that paper. There's also a sheet of stickers. There's lots of sentiments and then some icons. And then there's this row with 4 little banners with a little flower on the top. So I think those will be pretty to add to a card. And here is the stamp set for the month. There's some beautiful bouquets, some smaller little blooms, and then 4 sentiments. So there's thinking of you, love you always, thank you, and here for you. They all have that beautiful font. And then the peel-offs this month are the mint green color in glitter, and this is the straight design. So these are all the same width, about 1/8 of an inch wide. And this color matches beautifully with the rest of the papers. Now moving on to the embellishment bag. I'm going to start with the 2 dies that are included. There's a windmill and then also a butterfly. And I've gone ahead and cut these out of some gold pearlescent paper, trying to show some of the detail. So there's that side view of the butterfly. Isn't that beautiful? And then next we have the sample size bag of the sequins. So if you love to have sequins, you can always purchase the full-size bag as an add-on. And I will provide links in the description box for the full July release, since I only receive a few of the add-ons, and Lizi does offer quite a bit. So moving on to the next little bag, it has a couple different goodies in here. There are 3 heart-shaped wood buttons, and then there are 5 of these mini clothespins, and these are fun since they actually work. And then there are 5 pre-tied bows with black ribbon. This is nice if you don't like to tie your own bows. Although you can tie your own bows because the kit does include some skinny ribbon. So there's 5 different colors, and you'll receive a meter of each color. So there's that green, a white, black, a peach, and then a soft blue. And then moving on to the next item, there's a little bag that has 5 wooden pieces. And these are really fun. They have a lot of detail to them. So there's 2 butterflies, there's a laurel, there's a little bird sitting on a branch, and then there's a leaf. And you can use these plain or you can decorate them. I love to do heat embossing with them, but they also work nicely to add some paint or ink to. And then the final item included in the kit is a bottle of Newville crystal drops. This is the Morning Dew color, and these dry clear. So I actually don't own this color, so I'm excited to try these out on my cards. So that's everything that's included in Love From Lizi's July 2020 card kit. And as always, I do have some add-ons to share. There is an additional stamp set you can purchase. This is called Just Because. So it has some more floral bouquets and lots of great sentiments. And there are 2 peel-off bundles this month. The first one is the Variety Peel-Off Bundle, and you can see there's a brand new peel-off design. This is the mini hearts. So there's the mini hearts in the gold mirror. There's a green mirror in the straight design, fuchsia in the sway style, and then a black in the straight design. There's a second peel-off bundle. This is the pinstripe peel-off bundle, and these are all really nice soft pastels. There's that nice soft green, the blue, pink, and then also a white. It's always nice to have some extra peel-offs on hand. And I'm so excited to show you the new peel-off styles. So there's 3 different designs. There's hearts, circles, and also stars. I think you can see this better on the black. So there's 3 different sizes on each of the sheets, and these are going to work great for little embellishments, especially if you need to keep your cards fairly flat when you're mailing them. So there's the white, black, there's the silver and gold. You have the silver and gold in the mirror and then also the regular design. I'm just trying to flip through these real quick. And then there's also a few designs in the glitter. So there's the pink glitter. I'm going to pull off one of the hearts just so you can see the size. And that's the largest size. So there's the teeny tiny ones as well. And I am just looking forward to adding these to my cards. There's the pink and glitter. There's gold glitter. There's the silver glitter. You can see how sparkly these are, and there isn't any glitter that comes off. This is all sealed. So there's the clear iridescent glitter and then also the black glitter. So these are all brand new and available now in Love From Lizi's shop. So I do have that link provided in the description box if you want to check those out. So moving on, I have the Pearlescent Cardstock Bundle. There are 5 sheets included in this month. Beautiful colors. I love using pearlescent paper on my cards. And then there is also the weaved cardstock bundle. So there are 6 sheets included. I'm trying to get them separated, and they do have that linen look to them. So I'm not sure you can see that on the camera, but it has that nice texture look. And now here's just another look at Love From Lizi's July 2020 card kit. This is a monthly card kit and quantities are always limited. Lizi's kits sell out every single month. Last month it went in just a couple days. So if you are interested, I would suggest not waiting. The only way to guarantee receiving a kit is to sign up as a monthly subscriber. I do have links provided in the description box if you want to sign up to subscribe or if you just want to purchase some of the products individually. And stay tuned to my channel where I'll be sharing the cards that I make with this lovely kit. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you have a wonderful day.